Replacing a photocell might seem like a small task, but there is one golden rule. Never attempt to replace a photocell without cutting the power first. Let's break down why this is non-negotiable. First is the electrical shock hazard. Touching live wires without isolating the circuit could result in an electric shock, which can cause injury or be fatal. It also prevents severe arc flash incidents in commercial setups. Second, avoid short circuits or burnout. Engaging a photocell while the circuit is live can cause momentary shorts, electrical arcing, or permanently damage the internal electronics. Third, safe wire handling for wire-in models. Working on a live circuit surges the chance of miswiring or reverse polarity, which could damage the LED pole light or create fire hazards. Here is how to replace a photocell the right way. First, shut off the main breaker. Next, use a voltage tester to confirm there is no current. Then, remove the old unit and install your new lead-top photocell. Finally, restore power and test by covering the sensor. Why choose lead-top? Our models have zero crossing detection to lessen in-rush current, up to 20 kV surge protection, and a fail mode on design to prevent blackouts during a failure. Ensure your replacement is done safely and efficiently. Contact lead-top today.
Lead-top, your flexible OM or ODM partner for smarter lighting solutions.